Hey Tim, it's Amanda from Rolling Hills. We are making progress on this wall over in Roslyn Farms. Down at this end, we have one grid layer we're building up, and then we'll have the second grid layer on top. Our step-ups don't shake out exactly the way they are on the drawing, and especially in this area here, kind of hard to see, but that's where that weird angle is. There was one layer of grid somewhere in this area on the drawing, and just knowing that that corner is going to be a little bit of a weak spot, we have the grid going. We were going to put 2 layers of grid in here, so we have 3 courses grid, then we'll do 3 courses and then another piece. And then once we get down to this, where the number 9 is right there, there's one course that steps up there. We were going to step the grid up. That would be on top of the second course, and then we were going to do 3 courses and then another layer of grid. Basically, instead of having that one continuous piece going across, which is nice to have the grid that way in terms of speed and the guys and making it easier to track, but given the way the like this section only had, I think, 1 layer of grid, we want to beef it up a little bit. And basically we're wondering, you know, if at least we have the grids situated where it's, you know, 3 courses and then a layer of grid, and then 3 more courses and a layer of grid, and then build the rest of the wall on top to get us to 4 foot. Is that cool with you? Basically some of the grid's going to be on different levels. It may not be one piece continuous going across.